Good morning, guys. Good morning. Questions, ticker, someone comment box. Apparently YouTube's not working. And now my video is frozen. So, fun stuff. You can see my charts. Getting a full revolt from my system right now. It's all good. Good to see the side of my face. Can everybody hear me all right, at least? My audio working? All right, good. Thanks, Jeff. Yeah, don't worry about it. You just have a picture of me down there. We'll get started here in about 45 seconds, guys. We'll talk about the charts. I'm not broadcasting on YouTube. It threw an error, guys. Stupid. All right. All right, guys, let's get started. My computer's in full revolt this morning. You know, I kind of felt like that was going to happen. So, don't worry about the fact you can't see me. You can see my charts. I can answer your questions. All right, data today, 830 CPI. I don't know what it was, but it came out positive reaction in all instruments. So, MES, open price was 70.13. High a day was 70.36. It jumped 20 points after. Guys, we got to watch SPX 7000. All right, when SPX opens up, I think it's going to be rejection near 7,000, so be careful here. I'll talk about my war room. Low a day, 69.97. Resistance, high day, 70.25 and 70.50. And SPX 7,000 diamond. So you got to know where that's at. The bias is right here at 7,004. So we're long buyers above that. Your next buying opportunity, guys, is right there off the VWAP. Look at that. Momentum indicator is strong. Come to my war room, you get all these lines and these indicators with the levels to be called. See that? That momentum happened right after data dropped. RTY M2K. The Russell 2000 small caps running. That does January effect, guys. It's no surprise. Same thing. You couldn't take this before Bill. So now you got to wait till after. The next buying opportunity is going to be off the... I would use VWAP here. We might have to take a second read, which we have to downshift to the 1 minute. We talk about this, and I teach this in my war room. Make sure you join me to understand this stuff. Guys, we had 85 people in war room yesterday, and everybody got paid. So if you're not in there, you're missing out. Open price 25.44, high a day adjusted 70 or 26.76, low a day 26.39, resistance high a day, and then 26.85. That's the 2700 diamond, guys. Support at low a day and 2600. The bias is long above 42 here. We are long traders right now. Let's get into gold. All right, middles. So for XAU, subtract 10. So the math is easy. So this is the futures products. If you trade spot, subtract 10. Open price 46.10. High a day. Let me see if I can. 46.29. Low a day 45.84. Resistance at high a day 46.40, the all-time high, and then 46.85, which is the 4700 diamond, guys. Stay tuned. You're gonna want to hear my pre-market volume leader also. Liam says my audio is not working. Give me a mic check, guys. I think everybody else said it was working. Might be you, Liam. All right. And then, anyway, we're looking for longs. The next long opportunity, guys, is going to be at 46.12, kind of the top of the there you go. Rasta says it's working for him. All right. It's going to be about 46.12 and definitely 4600. So, guys, This is a buy zone right here for gold. 10 points lower than that for XAU before you ask me what XAU pricing is. All right, so that's 46.90 to 4600 is your buy zone. All right, now silver, not tradable. Let me put it over here. I don't even have it up on the charts. I removed it from my trading war room because you cannot day trade it. Let me put my ticker in. Look at this, guys. This is just ridiculous. Open price 85.40, high a day 88. Oh no! I mean, this thing's moving dollars per candle. You cannot trade that. You want to blow up an account? What's up, Mom? Yeah, YouTube crashed on me, so I'm not live over there. I mean, bias is long above 85.25, and resistance at $90. I didn't even chart it. You guys can see it. I mean, the next read's $87, but if you trade it, you're an idiot. If you day trade it, you're an idiot. So I might even just remove it from my report. Just give a price update. Not even call the levels. It's guys. JP Morgan Chase has it priced at $309. It's just going to keep running. So you can buy ETS based on it, whatever, but you cannot day trade it on leverage because So I'm broadcasting on YouTube. That's crazy. Huh. Liam, did you just ask me if you could scalp silver? If you're talking about silver, I'm gonna throw you out of the group. Don't you be stupid. All right. So if my YouTube is working, it's shown on my end that it is not. So if you ask questions there, I won't be able to see them, guys. All right. So platinum. Let's get into platinum. Platinum's on a tear. Did you guys see platinum last night? I swing trade. Look at that. It just set a new high a day. Look at this. Look at this hard flush last night. Kicked me out of my swing and then ran right back up. Rough. So platinum open price 23.62, high a day is 24.15 or 24, yeah, almost 20. Low a day 22.78. That's crazy. 150 point move down, 150 point move up. Rough. Its beta's picking up too. We're long above this level. So I think next buy is 2400 intraday, or even a little lower, 2385. I'll call it my war room, guys. The indices are, or I'm sorry, and oil, guys. I want to bring up oil because I'm trading it right now. I'm trying to swing this bad boy. I like this buy off the VWAP if you're looking to buy, because I'm just waiting for us to go into Iran, and then this is going to spike. So that's my thesis. I own it down here. So right now I'm controlling 70,000 barrels of oil. If you trade oil, you've got to be careful. This is a commodity settled instrument, not cash settled. So if I don't exit this at the right time, I'm going to have to take delivery of 70,000 barrels of oil. And hopefully my mom's garage is large enough that I can put it in there. So I'll have to be in the oil business apparently. All right, guys. Yep, we saw gold. 918 oscillators are at 32 and 19. If they get over 60, I'll talk about them. But VIX dropped to 14.9, and it's probably lower than that now after data. Let's talk about my swing trades. Guys, if you have questions or tickers, throw them in the comment box. If you're on YouTube, I cannot see it. I apologize. It's crashed on my end. I can only see my Instagram questions. Tesla is currently at 450. NVIDIA is at 185. Now, here's the interesting thing. Remember, guys, I told you about NVIDIA. I set my stop loss at 182.50. Yesterday, pre-market, it actually dropped below that and then rose above it at market. So it never kicked me out because my orders are only at market orders. So I survived that little bit of drop, but I'm still honoring that stop loss. I'm leaving it there. So we're probably going to do this. We're probably going to bounce, and then this all-time high anchored VWAP, it needs to get above that. And then if to get to this level, and then if it keeps going up, I will chase it with my stop loss. Is this a blow off top in the markets? I don't know. We'll see. But A lot of people think it's the beginning of World War III. What do you guys think in the comments? What do you think, chat? Start going cash. Metals running this hard is not a good sign. BBAI is currently 639. QBTS is 2906. Bitcoin is at 92. And Ethereum is 3140, guys. Write down 3,500 in Ethereum and 100,000 in Bitcoin. Has to clear and hold those levels in order to be bullish again. And it's not going to happen. All right, if you want to learn how to do this, I offer a money-back guarantee on my course. I have a free Discord where you can ask me questions, ask me for charts to take it from these free lives into there. And then, guys, the real savages trade with me in my VIP trading war room. And I'm telling you guys, go look at the reviews. These people get paid. All right, so let me look at your questions and stay tuned here for my pre-market volume leader. I know my screen is frozen. Getting a full revolt from my computer system or whatever. So let me check it out. Again, I apologize if you're on YouTube. I cannot see your questions. You can always go to chat in my Discord and ask me there. I'll answer them. All right. Thanks for the mic checks, guys. You never know what this system's going to do. And here's another reason why I'll sell NVIDIA. Because all this stuff that I'm doing right now with you on the screen is driven by NVIDIA's technology. And it doesn't fucking work. All right. Let's see here. Good on YouTube. Don't scalp silver, Liam. Come to Boston and I'll choke you. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. That's NVIDIA for you guys. The thing that drives my video down here on the bottom is NVIDIA. It's called NVIDIA Broadcast. And I have their fastest super AI chip. I invested a lot of money in this computer, and you can see how good it is. Don't buy a fucking NVIDIA chip, apparently. Well, ask your question about gold. I already analyzed it, but go ahead and ask your question about gold there. Quindrum, if I said your name right. That's Platinum's continuing to run. Yep. All right, guys. So let me get in my pre-market volume leader. If you have a question, you can throw it in chat. I'll have a second to get to it. So Aton is a pre-market volume leader with a move. Real quick, did you guys see EVTV from yesterday? From my call, it's up 300%. A number of my guys caught that. Congratulations. EVTV, my pre-market volume leader call from yesterday, went up 300%. Aton is a pre-market volume leader, so it's ATON. Adam, Tom, Oscar, Nora. It's a pre-market volume leader with a move up of 141% on news of a deal with NVIDIA. Previous day close is 92 cents. Pre-market high is 345. My area of interest is this green box, and guys, we're sitting right in it. Ooh, I like that. If we get above that VWAP, it's a buy for 10%. But listen, with volume, we could see pre-market high, and we could even see a doubled, or we could see $6, right? So watch this. I like that the fact that the VWAP is sitting in there. It's playing defense. Once we flip it in my green box, she's going to be a buy for 10%. Take profit 1, or pre-market high at 335. Take profit 2, or YOLO to $6. There you go. Guys, I post this in my free Discord under pre-market plan if you want to see it. So let's go back to the questions because I have a minute or two here before I got to get to the people who actually pay me to do this. Let's see here. Gold. Let's know about gold. I'm just buying gold. Too much risk. Do you think I'm wrong? Well, it depends on, are you buying spot? Are you buying physical? Are you doing leveraged products? What are you buying? Right? I would not put your whole portfolio in one instrument, if that's what you mean by too much risk. And you have to have a take profit plan on gold, right? So if you're trading spot, you got to take money off the table and re-enter. Depends on how active you are in it. So if you have more specific questions, go to my free Discord, and after New York Open, I can kind of walk you through how you should do it, right? Leverage 10, yeah, that's a lot of risk. If it's 10 contracts you're talking about, that's a lot of risk. What's your entry? depends on your entry too. If you're in the money with that much contracts, you need to be break even so you're not risking anything. All right, guys. Again, YouTube didn't is not showing me anything, so I apologize if you're on YouTube and you have questions there. Go to my free Discord. Guys, I'm going to bounce. So this is the arrow sign to go into my bio. Click the link and join my free Discord, but definitely do the 7-day free trial in my Discord to trade with me every day. If you want the TEM chart, go there, post a question, and I'll build it out for you. All right, guys. We'll do it again tomorrow. Have a good one.